Welcome to 30 Douglas Crescent in Leduc, Alberta, Canada. You're going to want to take this tour with me if you're looking for a lovely two-story home backing onto green space close to lakes, walking trails, as well as many other amenities that Leduc has to offer. The pride of ownership shines in this fully developed two-story walkout backing onto green space. As you enter the home, you'll notice the fresh paint and the bright, airy, natural light that the property is bathed in. The main floor has hardwood, a stunning kitchen with maple cabinets, all overlooking the private backyard. This property combines peaceful surroundings and exceptional functionality. It is a walkout home. It has a large yard, and it has 2 living rooms to enjoy. There is also a main floor den/office, or can be used as a bedroom. And the garage is oversized 21 by 26, fully drywalled, and has heat, as well as becomes a mechanic's dream with a 220 electrical. As you move on upstairs, you'll notice how bright and airy the upstairs spaces is. There are 3 bedrooms, all spacious and airy. The primary bedroom has a large spa-like ensuite with a soaker bathtub, separate shower, and walk-in closet. The additional bedrooms are spacious as well, and there is also a 4-piece bathroom on this floor. Big closets, a quiet street on a sought-after neighborhood of Tribute. This property really does have it all: quiet and tranquility. As you head on downstairs, you will notice that the walkout has been fully finished. The property is just under 2,000 square feet of above-grade livable space. The basement is fully finished, and it sits on a 480 square meter lot. There is an additional recreation room and / living space on this bottom floor space, as well as a bedroom and a full 4-piece bathroom, and also a bar that can be easily converted into a kitchen if you want to use this as a rental unit. The cabinets in the bar are the same as upstairs, and they match. And the yard is fully fenced and is perfect if you are a dog owner, as you just hop out and away you go onto all of the trails. Look no further but at 30 Douglas Crescent. It's waiting for you to enjoy. Thanks for joining me, Karen Stanko with Remax.